A routine consistency here to show you how to grow $100 to $1,000 trading stocks. Here's my method. First thing you want to do is go to screener. From here, you want to go to market cap, small cap. Once this loads up, we want to go over to news. From here, once this loads up, I want to go over to latest news. Hit today. Yeah, but as you all know, I like to trade outside. So hit today. Then we're going to go to change. We're going to hit change again. Then from here, once this loads up, we're going to hit news one more time. All right, we'll just give everything time to load up. So now from here, what we want to do is we want to go down the list. SAFX. Go to Robinhood. So this is the account so far. I'm going to go on SAFX. Go to the weekly chart. We're looking for a crossover. We're looking for that blue line to cross the other line. So since that's not happening right here, we want to go to the next thing. Okay, METC. Okay, so we see the cross happen right here, but we're late to the party. Ideally, we want the cross to happen the same day that we're in the trade. So this happened on Tuesday. We're late to this party, so we want to move on from this one. KLG. Kellogg's. Let's take a look. Okay, we want those lines to cross, so we're going to move on to something else. We're going to keep on looking. USAR. Check the weekly chart. So we don't see a cross happening here, so we want to keep on looking. U. Let's take a look at that one. Okay. So we see that this one was kind of close, but there's no cross, so we want to avoid this as well. Looks like this says open right here. So we're going to type in open. Okay. We have no cross here as well, so we want to not trade this one either. SBET. Okay, no cross here either. Want to keep on looking. JBLU, JetBlue. Oh, sorry, JBLU. Okay, we see that there's a cross here, but as you can see, the 40 period moving average is above the 20 period moving average. So even though this stock is up, if the 40 is above the 20, that's telling me that this is a bearish direction. So I don't trust this stock. CNXP. Let's take a look. It's 35. Okay, we see a cross right here happening today. But one thing I want to caution about is we see the cross, but we want to pay attention to today's volume. You see where it says 635, 555. What we want to do is compare it. We're going to go all the way back out of this, and we're going to type in TNXP. 4210. Today's volume is 635. The average volume is 704. So we want to avoid this. Even though the stock has the cross, we want the cross to accompany big volume. We want the cross and big volume to go hand in hand. So seeing that there's no big volume, I'm going to avoid this stock. So we'll continue to go down the list. ILPT. Once again, narrow state, very narrow state, but low volume, low trading volume. So what the volume represents, so we'll go back to TNXP, for example. This cross in today's volume compared to the average volume, which was in the 700,000s, that's telling me that there's not that much demand. So if we were to get into a stock like this, ideally, we want this volume to be in the millions. If this is like, say, anything significantly above 700,000. So it could have been 20 million, 30 million, 40. The higher the number, the better. And this would have been a more attractive trade. So we'll continue to look. Okay, so that's the end of the first page. So I guess I'll only look at the first page. And matter of fact, I'll take one look in the second page. I'll look at one. Okay, we will go SNCY. See how this looks. Typically, the further you go down in the page when you're looking at your results, the less the percentages that the stock is up. SNCY. Okay, same thing. I'll look at one more and we'll see what happens. Ideally, we want to pick something that's on the first page. The higher up in the first page, the better. It's almost like a draft board. So we can treat the second page, we can treat each page as a round. So the first page is where the best picks, that's the first round. Consider this the second round. DFDV. Okay. And seeing that we're going further down in the list, we'll take a look at one more. And after this one, then we may call it. We'll see how it's looking. SABR. Okay. So we didn't find anything that fit our criteria specifically. So the best thing to do in that scenario is to not trade at all. Till next time, traders.